Good fucking morning, warriors of ambition. Today, we're diving deep into the relentless power within you. It's time to unleash your inner badass. You are not just a participant in this game of life. You are a contender, a force to be reckoned with. Every struggle is a chance to grow. Every setback, a setup for a comeback. Don't you dare shrink back when challenges arise. Embrace them. You are a storm waiting to happen, and it's time to unleash that energy. Dig deep into your core and tap into that fire that burns hotter than 1,000 suns. You've got dreams? Make them your fucking reality. Transform that desire into action. Stand tall and let your voice echo through the halls of mediocrity. While others sit on the sidelines, you will be the one charging ahead, fearlessly tackling obstacles like the warrior you are. Remember, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. So, shatter those chains of doubt. You are capable of extraordinary things, and it's time to show the world your true power. Get out there and make every second count, because today is yours for the taking. Rise up and own it.